The packaging is so cute. Okay, so this is the serum mist. It smells so good. And it says, a little message in there, it says, refreshing your face and your mood. And then I got the hydrating cleanser. No message, that's okay. It's so cute. And then we got the daily moisturizer. And it comes with a bag. Okay, wait, this is actually so cute. Little zipper. It says SY. And then it has so we got the bag, the mist, the cleanser, and the moisturizer. Thank you.